Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert any GIF into an animated live wallpaper on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type into Live and install the app. It might take a little time to download, so just wait until it's fully installed. Once it's done, go ahead and open the app. Inside the app, tap on a new project. Now look for the GIF option and select it. Choose the GIF you want to turn into a live wallpaper and then tap on Add. After that, the editing dashboard will open. You can trim, adjust, or customize your GIF if you want, but if you don't need any changes, just tap on the share icon. From the share menu, select Live Photo and then tap on Save to Photos. Your GIF will now be exported and converted into a live photo. If you want to check it, just go to your Photos app and open the newly saved live photo. When you hold your finger on it, the animation will start playing. That means it worked. Now simply tap the share icon and choose Use as Wallpaper. Set it as your lock screen, and that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.